Okay, so today on this windy day, we're going to be looking at the demonstration called the Whoosh bottle. Whoosh bottle is going to be where we're going to take a bottle, polycarbonate bottle. We wouldn't ever want to use glass bottle or even other types of plastic for this. And it's probably a good time to talk about the idea that, these demonstrations are not the type that you should be doing in your backyard, even though I'm doing this one in my backyard. But I've done this a lot of times, and I'm trained to be able to handle it. You really shouldn't do it. If you want to see it, come knock on my door sometime after the social distancing has gone away, and we can do the demonstration. But really, you shouldn't be doing this type of demonstration on your own. And part of the reason why is that this actually can explode. So there's a reason why I've got a blast shield here. And so we just want to be a little bit careful with demonstrations like this. They're exciting and they're fun to see, but you need to leave them to someone who has the training. Now we're going to start this demonstration, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about it by pouring some isopropyl alcohol into this bottle. Alcohols are very flammable. They're great fuels for combustion, and we talked about the idea of fuel for combustion whenever we talked about the multicolor flame demonstration, where what we wanted to do there was we wanted to see the idea or the difference between a lean flame and a diffuse flame, where the lean flame was blue in color and it had plenty of oxidizer, oxygen, and plenty of fuel. And the idea of a diffuse flame where there was plenty of fuel but not nearly as much oxygen, and we could tell the difference between the two because the lean flame was blue and the diffuse flame was orange. And we're going to see both of those things whenever we do the Whoosh bottle experiment, because we are going to see some rapid combustion occur in this bottle, with the isopropyl alcohol being the fuel and oxygen being the oxidizer. But as the combustion occurs in the bottle, the oxygen is going to run out in certain places. So you're going to see a blue flame, and then you're going to see a little bit later in the net, you're going to see a yellow flame, which is going to be the more diffuse, the more oxygen-starved flame afterward. Now what I've been doing is, I want to just coat the inside of this bottle with the isopropanol. I don't want the bottle to have a lot of isopropanol left in it. I want it to have a lot of isopropanol vapor in it that's going to be very flammable. So I'm actually going to pour most of this alcohol out. And now I've got a bottle that's filled primarily with oxygen and isopropyl alcohol vapor. And that vapor is going to be very flammable, and we're going to be able to watch it combust. Now, like I said, I have this shield here, and I'm going to work behind the shield so that just in case something would go wrong or I would have the proportions wrong, I would be protected by the shield. So, are we ready to see the Whoosh bottle? All right. Now it's a little windy, so it may take a couple match strikes for me to get this. We'll see. I was right. Okay, Whoosh bottle. It scares me sometimes when it goes off, because you don't have any idea when it's going to happen. But you could probably see some of the flames from the bottle, not a lot. You probably could hear the whoosh probably more than see the flames when there was light out. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to come back and do this on a better scale so that you can see it. We're going to do it in this great big polycarbonate bottle. All right, and that's going to be after it gets a little bit darker, so that we can see the flames really, really well. So we'll be back whenever it's a little bit dark. All right, so we're ready to do the large Whoosh bottle. First, gotta light our match. Okay. And it's out. Okay, ready for the Whoosh bottle. And that's the large Whoosh bottle. A little bit louder, a little bit larger. We saw some blue flame, and then we saw some diffuse yellow flame. Thanks for watching.